10th standard maths part first, lesson number 2, quadratic equations, practice set 2.4. Now today we are going to solve quadratic equations by formula method. Solution of quadratic equation by formula method. Any quadratic equation in its standard form is written by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From this equation, to solve this equation, we have one formula: x is equal to minus b plus minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Thus there are two roots, and first root is denoted by alpha and it is given by alpha is equal to minus b plus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and the second root is called as a beta and it is given by minus b minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Using this formula, we can solve any quadratic equation. Practice set 2.4. Question number 2. Solve the following quadratic equations by using formula method. Example number 1 is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So coefficient of x square is a 1. Therefore we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 5. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to b is a 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 is equal to 36 minus 4 into 5 is a 20 is equal to 36 minus 20 is a 16. Formula for finding the solution of quadratic equations is x is equal to minus b plus minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Therefore x is equal to minus b, value of b is a 6 plus minus b square minus 4ac is a 16 upon 2 into value of a is a 1. So is equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of 16 is a 4 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2. Take at first plus sign. Then x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Take then minus sign. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Therefore minus 1 comma minus 5 are the roots of given equation. Now example number 3. Example number 3 is a 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with its standard form, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and constant term c is equal to minus 7. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac is equal to value of b is a 2 square minus 4 into value of a is a 3 into value of c is a minus 7 is equal to 4 minus this minus and this minus will be plus 4 into 3 12 12 into 7 84 84 plus 4 we get 88. Now formula to find the solution is x is equal to minus b plus minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equal to value of b is a 2, therefore minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 88 upon 2 into value of a is a 3, 2 into 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus minus that 88 can be written as 4 into 22 divided by 2 into 3 is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 and in square root 22 upon 2 into 3, divide numerator and denominator by 2, therefore x is equal to minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1, 2 upon 2 this 2 will get cancelled, in root 22 this 2 will get cancelled upon 3, therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus in square root 22 upon 3 or x is equal to minus 1 minus in root 22 upon 3. Therefore minus 1 plus in square root 22 upon 3 comma minus 1 minus 22 upon minus 1 minus in square root 22 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now example number 5. Example is a y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Here denominator of y term is 3. So multiply all equation by 3. Therefore we get 3y square plus 3 into 1 upon 3 will y. 3 into 2 is a 6. Write in standard form. So 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with its standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 6. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 3 into c is a minus 6 is equal to 1 minus minus will be plus 4 into 3 12 12 into 6 is a 72. 1 plus 72 is 73. Now formula for finding the solution is y is equal to minus b plus minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the values. Value of b is a 1, therefore minus 1 plus minus b square minus 4ac value is a 73 upon 2 into value of a is a 3, therefore it will be minus 1 plus minus in root 73 into divided by 2 into 3 is a 6. Therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus in root 73 upon 6 or y is equal to minus 1 minus in root 73 upon 6. Therefore minus 1 plus in root 73 upon 6 comma minus 1 minus in root 73 upon 6 are the roots of given equation. Now example number 6. Example number 6 is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 8. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to b is a 13, 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. 13 square is 169 minus 4 into 5 20. 20 into 8 is 160. 169 minus 160 is a 9. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore x is equal to b is 13. So minus 13 plus minus in square root value of b square minus 4ac is a 9 upon 2 into a, value of a is a 5, is equal to minus 13 plus minus square root of 9 is a 3 divided by 2 into 5 is a 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 13 plus 13 minus 10 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 16 upon 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to divide equation numerator and denominator by 2. So it will be minus 8 upon 5. Therefore minus 1 comma minus 8 upon 5 are the roots of given equation. Now question number 3. With the help of flowchart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 using the formula. Find the values of a, b, c by comparing x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is step 1. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. This is a step 2. Write formula for solving quadratic equation. Step 3. Substitute the values in the formula and solve. Step 4. Now let us solve the step 1. Comparing equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have values of a is equal to 1 because coefficient of x square is a 1. B is equal to 2 root 3 and c is equal to 3. This is step 1. Now step 2. Step 2 is find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to b value is 2 root 3 bracket square minus 4 into a, that is 4 into 1 into 3 is equal to 2 root 3, 2 square 4, root 3 square is a 3, 4 into 3 is a 12, minus 4 into 3 is a 12, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So value of b square minus 4ac is 0 here. Now step 3, write the formula for solving quadratic equation. Step 3, that formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now step 4, substitute the values in the formula and solve. X is equal to value of b is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus minus value of b square minus 4ac is 0 in root 0 upon 2 into 1, value of a is 1 is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus 0 upon 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore answer x is equal to minus root 3. Here value of b square minus 4ac is a 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. Value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. Therefore minus root 3 comma minus root 3 are the roots of given equation.